Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Friday, November 12th. Can you believe we're almost halfway through November? I keep thinking it's October still, but no, it's November and the holidays are getting closer. So if you haven't started making things, maybe it's time to start. So today we have lots of fun fabric for you. The first up is the Dimsum Team. Dimsum Team is the fun debut fabric collection by Wonton and a Million. Inspired by Cynthia's love of soup and puns, her well-loved family of dumplings and buns are the stars of the Super collection. This is by Michael Miller Fabrics. Let's see, that one is not a toss, so let me look at all the little sayings. You're my wonton and only. So if you know somebody who loves dumplings, a cute little bag or a little table topper might be the perfect thing for this collection. Look at those cute little guys. So adorable. Okay, next up we have Hamilton Essentials. Well, it's either Hamilton or Hampton. Let me look. My notes have both. I don't know. Hampton Essentials. Hampton Essentials look like linen, especially in these linen colored neutrals. It's a very versatile texture that works well with others. This is by Wilmington Prints, and I do agree, these are great because they look like wovens, but it's really a print. I'll show you the back side of this fabric. So it's going to look like a woven and not have the difficulties of working with a woven. Wovens are sometimes more lightly woven and cause a lot of bias stretching and raggedy edges. And so something that looks woven but isn't is a good choice. Oh, I like that color the best. So you can kind of scan down the side there and see all those colors. Next up, we have Alphabetosaurus. Inspire your favorite junior paleontologist with a quilt featuring this adorable panel from Robert Kaufman. All your favorite dinosaurs are included from A to Z. And aren't we glad people came up with awesome dinosaur names so that we have dinosaurs from A to Z? Our favorites when I had one of my sons was way into dinosaurs when he was a little guy, and our favorite was the Plesiosaurus because we thought he had great manners. I don't think he's represented there, but Plesiosaurus is a good one. Okay, and it's Fat Quarter Friday, so today's Fat Quarter collection is called Flamingo Beach, curated by Marnette. My Floridian behind the camera would like me to tell you that there are no flamingos in this collection and no flamingos harmed in the creation of this collection.
That's true.
But yeah, both true, but it is a lovely set of greens and blues, probably a place that a flamingo would love to live. So again, this is Fat Quarter Friday. You can find this by searching Fat Quarter Frenzy online, and these are available in the shop and online while supplies last. Every Friday there's a new collection, and we usually have 6 or 8. So if you like Flamingo Beach, grab it now. And we have another Riley Blake pillow kit. This one is January, and I really like that. It has a really nice crisp design on it, I guess, reminiscent of a snowflake. So again, the pillow kits make terrific gifts, and they come in these really cute little boxes that have kind of a magnetic closure and have everything you need in it. All you need to buy is a pillow form, and you can change out your pillow kit for every month of the year. Oh, and we have the pillow forms here. Yes, we do. I hope you have a lovely weekend. Find some time to get outside and enjoy the beautiful weather. Find some time to sew. I know one of our viewers viewing Challenging Fabric Challenge participants said they took my advice to take some time to sew, and that's how they came up with their challenge quilt. So take some time to sew. Take my advice this weekend. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday. Bye.